Hi guys, I'm already over 2 weeks here in Kuwait. I just came from India for a vacation. But look at you guys, my hair is too straight and smooth. I did my treatment there. Look at this, so straight. It's a Glam Glow Salon and it's an Aqua treatment. Go check it out. It's there in Kuwait. So hi guys, I'm over 3 weeks already here in Kuwait, but I just came from India for vacation and I did my treatment as well there. It's called Aqua treatment. Look at you guys, so smooth and straight. It's so smooth, is it? So if you guys want the same smooth and straight hair like I did, go check out Glam Glow Salon. They were located in Kuwait. Bye. So hi guys. So I was in Kuwait for almost over 3 weeks now. But look at my hair, guys. Well, I got this treatment from India, and it's Aqua treatment, and they were in Glam Glow Salon. They were located in Kuwait. So if you guys wanted the same smooth and straight hair like mine, go check it out. Bye. So hi guys, I was here in Kuwait for over 3 weeks now. I just came from India and I did my treatment there. Look at you guys, it's so smooth and straight. So if you guys want smooth and straight hair as well, you guys might check them out. They were Glam Glow Salon and they were located in Kuwait. Check it out. Hi, my name is Perla and I came from the Philippines. And I heard this, I know there's a lot of good treatment in the Philippines, but I heard this Aqua treatment and it happens at this salon, which is the Glam Glow, has this beautiful treatment. So I got to try it out and my hair is so soft and it's so amazing. Thank you.